This is not good. We're 22% down in revenue, and the projections, they're worse. I mean, we're working harder than ever, day in, day out, dealing with guests, handling the chaos. But it's not enough. We need a better plan, a smarter approach. Marketing, operations, revenue.
Are you talking about Darien Hotels?
And here's the thing. We can't just hire more people for every department. We don't have that luxury. We need expertise, someone who's been there, someone whose hotels thrived even during the pandemic. I've heard of them.
Have you called them? Bob, call Darien Hotels. They can help. I've worked with them myself.
Maybe I have to cut corners, reduce the staff, or, God forbid, start cleaning rooms myself.
Bob.
Get a bridge loan, maybe. I'm running out of options here.
Don't be Bob. Call Darien Hotels.